Hey guys, I was inspired to shoot this video because the MIT Department of Mechanical Engineering posted a video yesterday of a robot that they taught using artificial intelligence to play Jenga. If we're looking at implementing artificial intelligence at our site, we need some basics in place before we can start thinking about that. And that's going to be the next level of our Jenga tower. So the first block as part of that Jenga tower is going to be good maintenance processes. If our artificial intelligence model detects a failure, we still need to be able to fix that problem. So good maintenance practices are going to have to be in place. The next base level, we're going to need good planning and scheduling. Why? Again, if our artificial intelligence model detects a failure, we need to be able to plan and schedule that job so then we can actually go out and perform the maintenance. Finally, we need to have good data and IT systems in place at our sites. So, is the data in our CMMS or our EAM good enough where we can actually tie that information together? Are our IT systems able to handle that? Do we have the Wi-Fi? Do we have all that stuff that we need? Those three blocks are going to be your core fundamentals before you can even start thinking about doing artificial intelligence. Now, on top of that, first thing I want to talk about is a plan. If you're going to implement anything, no matter just artificial intelligence, you need to have a plan. What problem are you trying to solve? How are you going to try to do that? And what equipment are you looking at? Those are some questions that you need to answer. Have a plan. The next step, people. So if we have a plan, now we need some people. Who's going to be in charge? That RACI acronym again. Who's going to be in charge? Who's going to be notified? Who's going to be informed? All these different things we have to think about. We need to make sure that we have enough people and enough resources to implement. And finally, management of change processes. So something we talked about with Holcomb Baird in the most recent root cause analysis is changes in processes can sometimes open up a hole. And we need to make sure that, yes, we're trying to improve our site by implementing artificial intelligence, but we need to make sure that we're not drilling any holes in our processes and opening ourselves up to risk. So a good management of change process is going to really help that. Once we have those 6 blocks in place, the first 3 are the first level, the second 3 are more implementation side, then I think we can go out and we can start trying to find implementing artificial intelligence. Now those 6 blocks, in my opinion, are critical in getting good value out of your artificial intelligence at your sites. Now, the next question is, can you get by without them? Because sometimes we might not be able to get enough value. We might not be able to get those processes in place. And the answer, I think, is yes. I think you can get by maybe with missing one of those pieces, or maybe even missing with 2, but you're not going to get as much value as if you had them all. And again, maybe if you don't have enough, Jenga. So those 6 elements, they might not be a totally exhaustive list, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think of anything that I missed, put it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.